Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today we're going to show you how to DIY this super trendy bamboo purse and like some styling tips for it as well. So this bag, I don't know what it is, but it's been everywhere in all of my feeds, my Pinterest, my Instagram, like instantly everyone had this. So I thought there's got to be a way to DIY it.
And I think we figured it out.
It's pretty good. And it's actually not that hard or expensive either, which is my favorite kinds of things.
Not hard, not expensive.
Okay, I guess let's just jump right into it.
Do it.
Okay, so to make this, you'll need some balsa wood. We got these pieces from the craft store. They are 3/16 of an inch by 3/8 of an inch, and they come in 3-foot long pieces. They're only about $1.75 US, which makes this really affordable. You will need 9 pieces of these. Getting this amount leaves you with a little bit of wiggle room since this wood is super delicate. You know, when you're cutting and drilling, you could mess up a couple pieces, so this is a safe amount. This wood is super easy to cut with an X-Acto knife since it's super light. You'll need to cut 54 pieces that are 3.5 inches long. And 20 pieces that are 4.5 inches long. We made this super handy template of all the pieces you'll need, which is available on our blog. You can start laying the pieces in place as you go to keep you organized. Now it's time to add the holes. Use a super small drill bit for this. Ours was 5/64 of an inch. On all of the 3.5 inch pieces, add a hole at each end, just in from the edge. For your 4.5 inch pieces, add holes at either end and then add an additional hole in from the side about 1.5 inches down. On any 6 of the 4.5 inch pieces, add an extra hole 1.5 inches down from the other side as well, so these pieces will end up having 4 holes in them. These pieces will go in the top 3 spots on both of the templates.
All right, you guys got that? Because now it is time to start assembling. To hold the bag together, we're using some fishing wire and a sewing needle. Estimate how much fishing wire you'll need to complete the first row and add a generous amount of extra fishing wire to make things easier later. Since fishing wire is notoriously hard to notoriously? Did I say that right?
Notoriously.
Notoriously. Since fishing wire is notoriously hard to knot, we're going to be adding some tape at the ends to keep it from slipping through the holes. Thread the needle and the wire through the first curve of holes. Tape off the other end to act as a wire stopper as well. Next, cut a new piece from the wire and thread the next row of holes together. Lastly, add on the final row of wood pieces. These will eventually form the sides of the bag. Now that the side of the bag is complete, move on to the other half of the template. Thread all of the holes together just like we did before. When you're on the last set of holes, this is where you have to combine the 2 templates together. Lay the pieces side by side and connect the sides together like a zipper. Stitch these together with the needle and the fishing wire. Once you get to the bottom of the curve and it becomes too difficult to stitch them as is, fold the smaller side on top of the other. It's super helpful to put something in the middle to help hold the sides apart. The spool of fishing wire actually worked amazingly for this. Continue threading up the side.
So now the base is complete, it's time to move on to the handle. And just so there's no confusion, we actually made a smaller handle originally, but we didn't like how it looked, so we're gonna make a different version. You might actually see the first version in some of these shots, but we're gonna explain the right way. So for this, you'll need 2 types of wood. You'll need one piece that is 1x2 pine wood, and one piece that's 5/16 by 11/16 wood. Cut 2 pieces of each at 10 1/4 inches long. On the thicker wood pieces, mark out 4 dots. Here we'll be adding 4 small holes that we can add magnets to help close the bag. These are jewelry clasp magnets, which we'll link below. Drill holes just deep enough for the magnets to sit flush with the top of the wood and then super glue them in place. Lay this piece of wood under the ends of your fishing wire and using a hot glue gun, glue the wire down onto the wood. Cut the wire if it's too long at this point. Now use some wood glue to glue the skinnier piece of 10 1/4 inch wood onto the inside bottom and press tight. We're using super tiny screws to make sure the wood is super tight together and our wire stays permanently in place. Repeat this process with the remaining 2 pieces of wood on the other side and your handle is complete. As a final step, we spray the bag with a clear coat of varathane to protect the wood and the bag is finished.
So you may have guessed this isn't quite a bamboo bag. This is more of a balsa wood, pine bag, and I've been calling it like a cage bag too.
Yeah, it's like a bird cage almost.
So with our finished bamboo cage purse, we want to show you guys some end of summer, day to night looks to go along with the purse. First up is my summery look, but not too summery because of my wedgie fit Levi denim. The flowy off the shoulder top matches perfectly with my DIY shoes and upcycled hat. This kimono is from Forever 21 and of course our DIY cage purse brings everything together. We will of course be linking all of the clothing pieces in the description below or similar pieces if we can't find the exact items anymore.
And we also found affordable versions of this bamboo cage style purse that we'll link below if DIYing this just isn't your thing. Next up we have my, I'm just shopping for auto parts look. This beautiful H&M jumpsuit looks super playful over this simple white tee and styled with some platform Converse. My Free People hat and sunshine yellow sunnies help to make me look and feel cool.
Next up for the evening, I kept the kimono but swapped my jeans and top for a simple, slinky black dress from H&M. My thrifted belt anchors the whole look, and I'm super excited about these mules, which are an easy way to update any outfit.
To bring my jumpsuit into the evening, I elevated the look by losing the tee underneath and literally elevated my look with some Steve Madden chunky heels. The whole look comes together with our DIY cage purse, of course.
DIY cage purse for the win. I hope you guys like this style as much as we do.
Yeah, this was a really fun challenge to do, and I'm happy I was able to show you guys how to do it in like an easy way.
Yeah, and the template is on our blog. Sponsors get the template for free. And all the links are below. If you like it, make sure you like it.
And if you love it, make sure you sub it.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye guys!
Bye.